everyone, this is Mimi, and I'm so excited to introduce to you today our brand new product. Ready for it? Da, 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 da. Super Clear. Super Clear is a blemish and pore clarifying serum. We've been in development for close to 2 years for this product, and we are so proud of it and what it does. Now, a lot of acne and clarifying treatments that are available on the market today will use words like kill, fight, zap when it comes to acne. And as aggressive as those words are, so are the formulas and the ingredients that they use. And for most of us with sensitive skin, with rosacea, with irritated or dry skin, we just can't use those ingredients for a long period of time or even at all. And so with Super Clear, we have a completely different approach to clarifying your skin. It's a three-prong approach. The first is actually to heal your skin. And you think of healing in acne, well, think about it. Your red skin, sometimes your breakouts are red, they're inflamed, they're irritated, they're sensitive to the touch. Many times pimples will have redness around it. And so we use ingredients like brown algae and organic marigold flower and calendula to actually work to heal the skin, to reduce the redness, to reduce the irritation and the inflammation associated specifically with acne. The second step we use is actually clarifying. So now that the skin has calmed down, we actually use ingredients like niacinamide and salicylic acid in the right dose that actually helps go into the pore, helps clear out that sebum, that oil, helps clear out that pore. And so we do work to clarify the pore itself. And then the third step is to protect the skin. So now that we reduce the irritation, we help clarify the pore, we actually want to now strengthen the skin. We want to help build that collagen. We want to help make your skin stronger against environmental damage. So we'll use things like ginkgo biloba leaf, kelp seaweed, Canadian willow bark, Centella asiatica, and beta-glucan to help work to strengthen the skin and to maximize your skin's natural immune system against future breakouts. So now that we talked about healing, clearing, and protecting, I'd love to show you the actual product. This is what it is. It comes in a 1-ounce bottle. You'll see that it has this natural green, kind of green mossy color. The formula is 98% natural. And all you're going to do is take a few drops right there, and is the beautiful serum consistency, and you can see it right here on my hand. And on clean skin, you're going to take a few drops and basically rub it into your skin and give it about 30 seconds or so and let it dry. Now, what I love about this product is it goes right into the skin. It doesn't leave your skin tight or matte. It also doesn't leave your skin tacky or sticky. And I'll even apply it on right now. And it has a really, really refreshing feel to it and a really nice herbaceous smell. So you're going to pat it into your skin. Once it dries in about 30 seconds, you can follow up with the rest of your skincare regimen. And you will start to see an improvement and a difference in your skin within the first 14 days. So for more information about Super Clear, please visit us online at sonyadakar.com and follow us at Sonya Dakar. Thank you, everyone, and we're wishing you a super clear day. Mwah. Bye.